They fascinate, enchant, and they bring back childhood memories in many grown-ups. The carousels and amusement rides of Zierer Carousel und Spezialmaschinenbau GmbH. We at Zierer have 75 years of experience in ride manufacturing. One of our most popular and best-known amusement rides is the Wave Swinger. It has been sold almost 200 times worldwide. Zierer also specializes in many other attractions, like roller coasters, family rides, and thrill rides. We manufacture amusement rides for almost every taste, be it fun for the whole family or the sensation of sheer adrenaline rushes. Among our international customers are the largest amusement parks in the world, valuing our products. Since 2002, Zierer belongs to the Zierer Group, a traditional firm with long-standing experience and more than 3,000 employees. As a member of the Zierer Group, Zierer benefits from financial security and regular exchange in know-how in the fields of steel construction and design. Zierer has approximately 50 employees, experienced engineers, technicians, mechanical engineers, and artists. Our professional staff is here to assist you, from conception to commissioning and 24-hour after-sales service. Zierer amusement rides are available as standard versions or as individually planned and customized products. The detailed designs are realized in our design and technical department. Our Department of Steel Construction excels in precision work and in the highest standards of quality. This is the place where we manufacture our ride components. The work-intensive and technically demanding amusement rides are assembled and test-run here to check the performance of all components during operation. Only after thorough inspection do we proceed with packaging, transportation, and on-site installation of our rides. Zierer's comprehensive after-sales service offers round-the-clock assistance in regard to questions and troubleshooting. Our experts will advise you on maintenance, the ordering of spare parts, and the operation of a ride. Adding to the superior technical quality, Zierer amusement rides are real eye-catchers. With premium artistic design, our artist and staff at the polyester workshop implement the individual ride decorations to satisfy customer wishes. The negative molds of the decoration are made with highly artistic skills and craftsmanship. These work-intensive components later give our rides their unique look. Perfect painting and coating complete a ride's distinct appearance. In a step-by-step procedure, Zierer manufactures rides that meet the highest demands in quality. With a long service life and little maintenance requirements. This is what characterizes all our rides and is our main objective, along with the joy they provide. Entertainment is our business and quality our strength. Your satisfaction is our highest standard. Zierer Carousel und Spezialmaschinenbau GmbH.